Hi everyone, welcome to the course.
Congratulations.
Boom, you bought it.
Yeah.
This is a big step, and we thank you for taking that step. You're taking action for yourself, and you want to build something in your life. Maybe this is going to be a side hustle that turns into a full-time business for you, and we want to sort of help you along the way. And we're really thankful for you for purchasing the course.
Yeah, well done and thank you. And this is brilliant. You've taken action, you've taken credit for yourself, whether this is your first business venture or whether this is one of many. We do take your results personally.
Yeah.
This is a course that we've built and we want to offer you ongoing support. So you will continue and you will continue to obviously grow your business, and we're going to be there for you every single step of the way.
Yeah.
And if you do take into account all that we teach in this course, I've absolutely no doubt you guys are going to be very successful.
And definitely. And we're going to guide you all the way. And it's exciting times. And I suppose the first thing that you might be asking, because it is drop shipping, what is drop shipping really?
Yeah, so we're going to do a very vague just summary of what is drop shipping. And to help us with it, we're going to our creative side.
Yeah, we're really arty. We're so creative that we couldn't draw anything. This is about as far as it goes for us.
Yeah.
So we'll just do a quick explanation of what drop shipping is and what to sort of kind of expect.
So I'm just going to take it through. Don't want the microphone getting in the way of the video there. So really quickly. So this is the customer, okay?
So the customer is the buyer.
And they will be buying from the retailer, which in our instance is, of course, ourselves, our eBay listings. And then we are following that purchase to the supplier, which in our case is Amazon. Amazon will then, of course, fulfill the order for us and ship it straight to the customer. So in other words, we never see the product, we don't touch the product, we simply advertise the product, and when we sell, we then purchase from the supplier and they send it and fulfill it all for us. So that is what dropshipping is in general, and this is our business module.
Yeah, and well, again, thanks for joining us. We want to sort of show you a way of having a business where it can be done from anywhere. So, for example, we've actually got a student of ours who actually has a full-time job, and in his breaks, he's on his laptop in the car, remotely connecting through his phone, doing his customer service. So, the good thing about this, it's got great accessibility. You can do it from anywhere, literally anywhere. Like we've been on holiday and we've scheduled just an hour a day, just doing a bit of customer service, and it's done, and the business keeps running. So it's good to be able to have that sort of accessibility, and we want to be able to show you that kind of business for yourselves. Maybe it was a side hustle that become something a lot bigger.
Yeah, definitely. It's so easy to access. It's so easy to build your business, to build this business. And the brilliant thing is you get to see it grow, and you see it establish, and it's such a fantastic feeling.
Yeah.
And
so let's get this course on the road.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. So well done, guys, and we look forward to having you.
Yeah, see you in the next video.